So using the mass m, length l, time t and current a as fundamental quantities, the dimensional formula of permittivity is how much? Okay, so we have to calculate the electric permittivity. Okay, we know that F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square from Coulomb's law. So q1 equal to q2 equal to charge, r is equal to distance, F equal to force, 4 pi equal to constant. Okay, so that is 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to q1 q2 by r square into F, or epsilon naught is equal to q1 q2 by 4 pi r square F. So dimension of epsilon naught is equal to dimension of charge by 4 pi is constant, dimensional is quantity, or then dimension of force. So dimension of force, F is equal to m1 l1 t to the power minus 2. Dimension of distance, that is r, is length. Dimension of charge q is at. Okay, because I is equal to q by t, q is equal to I t, using this formula. Okay, now dimension of epsilon naught is equal to charge is 80, again charge is 80, radius is l square, force is m1 l1 t to the power minus 2. Epsilon naught, dimension of epsilon naught is equal to a square t square whole divided by m1 l3 t to the power minus 2. Okay, dimension of epsilon naught is equal to m to the power minus 1 l to the power minus 3 t to the power 4 a to the power 2. So your final answer, which one is correct answer? This is the final answer. So which one is correct? M1. So your option B is correct. Your answer is B. The option B is your correct answer. Okay. Thank you for your watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.